Do you want an adorable and affordable home in Glenview's top-notch school districts? Well, your search ends here. Hi, I'm Vittoria Logli with @Properties Christie's International. Come and take a tour with me at 421 Bel Air Drive, located in one of Chicago's most sought-after suburbs, Glenview, Illinois. Make sure to watch to the end of the video to discover my personal favorite feature of this amazing home. As soon as you walk into the home, you'll immediately be struck by these impressive tall ceilings in the great room. There's a cozy fireplace and tons of windows facing south and west. This room flows right into this spacious eating area, which is big enough for a large farm table. My favorite part of the home is the flow. The great room opens to the eating area, which is wide open to the big kitchen. If you're enjoying this video and want to see more amazing homes in the Chicago North Shore area, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's take a look at this stylishly remodeled chef's kitchen, complete with sleek white quartz countertops. A stainless sink and faucet, a high-performance range and hood vented to the outside, and a timeless backsplash that adds a touch of sophistication to the space. Moving to the second floor, you'll discover 3 bright, airy, and charming bedrooms that are filled with natural light and offer ample space to relax and unwind. Each bedroom features generous closet space to accommodate all your storage needs. And the primary bedroom is the perfect retreat after a long day. The recently remodeled hall bathroom complements the bedrooms perfectly and offers a refreshing and modern touch. As you explore the lower level, you'll notice that it's not your typical dark and dingy basement. Instead, it's a large, bright, and sunny flex space that you can use for just about anything. And you'll love the lower level because it's got loads of storage space and a fully remodeled full bathroom. Step outside and you'll discover the spacious 2.5-car garage, as well as a large backyard that's perfect for hosting summer barbecues. But wait, there's more! And you're gonna love my favorite part, this big giant deck right off of the kitchen. It's like having an extra room to hang out and enjoy the fresh air. This home is perfect for those seeking a stylish and comfortable, family-friendly neighborhood.